Okay, hello and assalamualaikum. So for today, I'm gonna show you guys, or I'm gonna share with you guys what is an orthographic drawing. Okay, for orthographic drawing, okay, is actually a set of drawing which consists of three view. Okay, the first view is the first drawing is the top. Okay, this one, and the second is the front view, and the third one is the side view. So normally when you are producing an a technical drawing or a geometry drawing, okay, they will ask for you to draw, either you draw an orthographic drawing or oblique drawing or isometric drawing. So for today we're gonna focus on orthographic drawing. Okay, so for example, if I want to look at this and I want to draw this block of Lego, okay, just ignore the connector, so just focus on the boxy shape of this. All right, and yeah, just ignore this part. Okay, so for this one, if normally when you look at the orthography or object, okay, this will be your front view. All right, so if like this, it will be like that. Okay, and this is will be your side view, and this will be your top view. So the projection of this, we call it third angle projection. Okay, we do have a first angle projection, but normally in this program we practice a third angle projection. Okay, compared to the first angle projection, the drawing also still have a front top view, but the location of the drawing is different. Okay, if I want to draw, this is just a rough sketches, okay, to for the understanding. Not, we haven't go to the actual orthographic drawing yet. Okay, so there will be something like this. All right, so this is your front view. Okay, front. Okay, and then we're gonna draw, or we're gonna project this line to goes up and to see the top view. Okay, so will be something like this. Okay, so we see actually it's the same. Okay, this one also same. It doesn't have a long or short part. Is the distance or the measurement is all the same. Okay, so it's like this from the top view, and then we need to have projection to the side, which is this one. Okay, this view. So we have this cross section, and then we have this 45 degrees line, so that we will have a projection from this part. Okay, so for this line to draw this side will be, we can extend the line. Okay, I can use a red or blue color. Okay, extend this line. Okay, so that this will have the same dimension. And then I will extend this line also. Right, and this line will go down. So where this line, the horizontal line meet the vertical line, okay, this one is the drawing for the side view. Okay, alright. Okay, so again, this orthographic view is a projection of 3 view of this object. Okay, we consider this is a front view, this is a top view, and this is the side view. Okay, right. So again, we will have, so again, if you are given this drawing, or you are not given the object, you are given a drawing, okay, an isometric drawing or an oblique drawing. For example, you are given the isometric drawing, something like this. Okay, like this. So you ask you to draw the correct the orthographic drawing of this. Okay, so again, this is the front view. This is the top view, and this will be the side view. Okay, right. So again, we need to draw the front view first. Okay, and then you draw the top view, and then you will have to draw the side view, where you extend this construction line, and then there you go. Right, so this is a rough idea of what is an orthographic drawing. Okay, so after this I will show you guys how to draw a proper orthographic drawing, okay, using this one. Okay, all right. So as you can see, I paste my paper, okay, on the board. All right, so because I want to lock the position of the paper when I want to move my ruler later on. Okay, so first let's draw a line. That will be our baseline to start with. Okay, so there you go. All right, so make sure the line is light, or you are using a HB or B series like this. Don't use a 2B and higher. All right, enough to see the line. Okay, no need to be so dark. Okay, so for the front view, I will put the location of the front view is somewhere around here. Okay, so we divide this area will be into 4 areas. So bottom left. All right, so I'm gonna draw this over here. So let's measure this one. The length of this will be 6.3. Okay, 6.3 centimeter. So yeah, this is the 0 and 6.123. Next is I will draw a projection line from this part, goes up to the upper area. Okay, using a T-square. Make sure it's 90 degrees. Same goes here. So if you have a set square, then you can put something like this. Okay, you have, and then you draw something like this and move up. Okay. Okay. So make sure so this will ensure you have a 90 degrees line. Okay. Alright, okay. Yep, these two lines. Next we need to draw the two parts of this. Okay, the first height is from here to here, which is 3.8. Okay, 3.8. Okay, so move up. So to make sure that we have a proper measurement, 3.8. There you go. So move up and draw the line. Okay, see that I notice that I draw a line. Okay, exit to the drawing, exit to the line. Okay, I doesn't stop at this point. No. So next is this height, which is 1.9. This one is 1.9. And make sure it's 90 degrees properly. Then the length. Okay, we have this line. Next is from this side to this side, which is 3.15. Okay, so if 3.9 is not 3.1, it's 3.15. Okay, so have this straight line just to make sure that it's perpendicular. Okay, okay, goes up all the way up. Okay, so next is to draw the actual line or a project line. Now we make it darker. Okay, so there you go. This is the front view. Next we're gonna draw the top view. So for this one I'm gonna draw a cross section or a divider. Okay, just slightly above the object. You can measure either 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters or whatnot, but this time around I just want gonna use this the size of this ruler to draw the divider. Okay. Okay, and this one will be slightly darker. If I use this the size of the ruler, this side also I need to draw using the side of the ruler. So the distance from this object to the divider line will be the same. Okay, so if you use 1 inch, then this one, the distance from this to this also 1 inch. This distance from this side to the divider also, okay, also 1 inch. Okay, so the distance will be the same. Same goes here. Oh. Okay, the distance will be remain. Okay, I use this. Oh. This one I need to extend the line. Remember that just now, the projection need to be extend all the way up. So we already have the length of this side. Okay, now we want to draw the front view, the top view. So the length we already have just now, which is 6.3. We already have this. Alright, and then we're gonna measure this side, which is will be 3.15. Okay, so from this 3.15 around here, and goes to 3.15. So for this one, we already have the side. We already have the measurement of the length. We already have the measurement of the width. So just darken the line. Okay. Oh, and this one. Okay. This one, if you notice, I darken the line entirely. Compared to this, is only halfway. Because why? This is only the outer line of this. It doesn't go through here. Alright. But this one, from the top view, is different. Okay, I have a section over here. See? Alright. So next, we're gonna move to the, what you call this? Side view. Okay, this part. So we already have the front view. We have a top view, and then we're gonna draw a side view. Alright, side view, and we will place the location will be somewhere around here. Okay, so the top, right, like I said just now, if you put the distance, the drawing distance and the divider, okay, it need to be same. So now this one, but actually you no need to measure because we have this what you call this set square that will draw. Okay, we need to draw a 90 degrees slanted line. Okay, you need to use a ruler. Okay, if you don't have this set square, okay, you need to measure properly to make sure that is straight 45 degrees, okay, angle. So but now I have this ruler, okay, this set square. But this set square, since it's a cheap one, the point is not that sharp to rely on. So either I use this or I measure. So easy, safer if we use measure. Okay, so maybe use centimeter. Just use 8 centimeter and move up. And this one also 8 centimeter. So this is the, what you call that, the slanted line. Okay, if we check with this set square, yep, it's properly 45 degrees. Okay, so like I showed you previously, whatever line, okay, let's make it darker. Yep. Okay, that move from here, okay, and meet this slanted line will reflect going down. Okay, so that's the distance of this, so we don't need to measure anymore. See, if you want to measure, is same, it will be exactly the same. See, right, given that your line, all of this is properly aligned, properly parallel. Okay, so it's going down, reflect downward. Same goes to this line. You go from here, move to the slanted line, and then reflect going down. So your drawing, your side view is where the projection of the top view line, okay, from this line, from this top view, you move to this slanted line and meet over here and reflect the line going down. Same goes to here. You move from this line, goes to this slanted line and reflect down, and this line will meet the projection from the front view. Okay, it goes from this point all the way to the right and meet over here. So your side view will be this one. Okay, and the measurement will be the same. Okay, this one, the height of this, okay, will be the same. Alright. So if it doesn't show the same, okay, this is 1.9 and the height is 3.8. okay, means that your drawing or your line slightly off. Okay, so let me darken it. Okay, there you go. So how you want to draw a measurement? Have slightly have a distance like this. This is 6.3. This is just now is 3.8, and this one will be just now 3 point. No, sorry. This one will be 3.8, and the height of this will be 3.15. Yeah, 15. So that's how you draw an orthographic drawing. Okay, and now for your homework. Okay, you are given in the Google Classroom file an isometric drawing like this. Okay, you have 24 drawing, and you are given 2 weeks to draw an orthographic drawing from this. Okay, so this week and next week you're gonna spend time to draw this drawing. All right, so like I said, you need to make sure where's your front view, where's your top view, and where's your side view. So for this drawing, okay, I enlarge it to this. Okay, and this will be your front view. This will be your top view, and this will be your side view. Okay, and then if you notice there's a grid. Okay, a grid from slanted from bottom left to the top right, and from the bottom right to the top left. So it goes from here, okay, all the way and here. So this to show that the unit of this drawing. Okay, it doesn't give you what kind of unit, whether it's a centimeter or millimeter or whatnot. They just use one block or one cube. Okay, so you decide for your drawing. Okay, on your whether you want to use 1 centimeter or you want to use 1 inch. Okay, but of course, if you are using a A4 paper, then we're gonna settle down with 1 centimeter. All right, so on the previous trimester we always use a A3 paper, but I believe due to the current situation, it's very hard for you to go out and get the A3 paper. Then for this exercise only, we use A4 paper. All right, so again, if you notice, this is considered 1 section, and this will be a 3 section. Okay, if you notice, right, then you have this. Oh, maybe I draw already, and then see, there's a 3 unit. Same goes to this. Okay, then the second unit, the fourth unit, and then the the third unit, and then the fourth unit. Okay, this one 3 unit, 3 unit, same goes to this. Okay, so I hope you can see. Okay, some of the student last time they get confused, so what the unit or measurement. So this is how I show you guys. Okay, so the length, the height of this will be what, 4 unit times 3 unit, and then the top will be 3 unit times 3 unit also, and from the side view 3 unit times what, 4 unit. Okay, so I hope you can see it like this. Okay, so get busy. If you have question, don't hesitate to comment in the Facebook group. Sorry, not Facebook group. We are using Google Classroom now. We are not using the Facebook group anymore. So yeah, produce orthographic drawing. Each of these object 1 A4. Okay, so maybe we try to draw just one, this one, just this. Okay, let's try to do that. All right, so let's start. So I already paste my paper on the board. Okay, so let's draw the baseline. And then the length is 3 unit times 4 unit. Okay, 3 unit. So we convert that to 3 centimeter times 4 centimeter. So it will be quite small. From this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then move up. So next is 4 centimeter, which is this one. Don't forget to draw or create a projection line. Okay, and then since we have 3, this one is 1 unit. Same goes to this, also 1 unit. Okay, so let's darken it. So next we draw the divider. Nope, make it darker a bit. Okay. So next is the baseline from the top view. Like remember, the space is same If you want to use the thickness of the ruler, you can use the thickness of the ruler. If you don't want, you need to measure. Okay, this one is what? Be 3 centimeter. Okay, so here also need to be 3 centimeter. But for this one, I just use the thickness of this ruler. So make sure it's remain the same. The distance of remain the same. So the height, okay, we have the length of this if this what you call this cube. Okay, so we have 3 times 3, so there will be 3 over here and times 3. Again, don't forget to project to the right. So this is, so we darken the line. Okay, remember the drawing line should be darker, way darker than the projection line. Alright, this is the outer line. And remember, this also need to be drawn, hence this line. Okay, there you go. Okay, next is the side view. So again, remember the distance of this drawing to the divider is same. Right, and you are using a set square to draw your what you call that, the slanted line. Right. There you go. So whatever line, okay, from here goes here, moving towards here, will reflect going down. Okay, and from here, from this line, moving here and going down. Right, and there you go. This, okay, is the line from the top view, goes down, you darken it. From this one goes here, reflect going down, you darken it, because it's meet with the projection from the front view just now, here and here. There you go. This is this is front, this is top, and this is side. Okay, so this how you do your orthographic drawing. Continue with number 2 until 24. So I give you 2 weeks to finish this exercise or this homework. Okay, so thank you so much. I see you guys on week 2 to see your progress. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.